What's up, everyone? It's 12:32 UK time, and okay, let's take a look at the markets. EURUSD daily, yeah, which seems we just keep pushing up out of this trend line, and let's take a look at the 4 hour. It seems like we interacted with this level over here. Let me close up a little bit, and looks like we interacted a little bit and we're pushing up, so I'm gonna drop down to the 1 hour. Okay, here I have this Fibonacci. Looks like we interacted with it with this 50%, and with this trend line I anchored a little different down to here, just to see this interaction really. And it looks like we broke through this minor high, but not this one though. This would be a more interesting one. However, I think we could have some bullish trades and look at this momentum. So let me drop down on the 15-minute. Not much. I just have this trend line and it broke through this past two little highs. So probably interested in a retest and some trades out of here. I have my alarm here. So yeah, in USDCAD, yeah, here looks like we are just pushing down. So I'm gonna take a look at the 4 hour. I just have this broken trend line, little micro trend line, and yeah, I'm gonna wait for some structure to see if we got any bearish trade here on the 1 hour. Basically some same sort of trend line and waiting for some structure. And on the 15-minute, I just had this trend line probably to see if we can get any trades to ride it up a little bit. But I mean, we did have this point right here, but I was not confident enough to trade it based on this huge just momentum candle on the 1 hour. So I'm gonna just wait for a better structure. And EURJPY, okay, here in the daily seems like we broke through or breaking through a little bit this high, so I'm expecting maybe we can ride this up to this trend line right here. So let's drop down to the 4 hour, and here we can see that maybe in 1 hour we can close us breaking this past highs. So that will be interesting to look for some bullish opportunities. So in the 1 hour, well, basically, yeah, we can just see higher high, higher low. And on the 15-minute, I just have this little setup right here and an alarm here to see if we get through this area. We may having a little bullish trades in AUDNZD. Daily chart, I just have this, and looks like we are gonna either retest this trend line or go to the 161.8. I think it'll depend on the lower time frames. So here, yeah, it seems like we interacted with this touching point here in this trend line, and we probably gonna move down. So only 1 hour, I just have this little micro trend line and alarm here to see if we interact with this. I'll be interested in some bearish trades, or if we break through, obviously, and retest, that'll be pretty sweet. And 15-minute, I just have this other trend line and an alarm here to see if we got anything good. Although I don't think it'll be too good, this little trend line, but I don't know. I just will see based on this structure right here. Probably, I don't know, looking at the waves, probably it can go up to this little trend line to then go down. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. See ya.